Okay, so inside this chapter 1 jQuery basics folder, I have here 11th lecture, that is jQuery for selector.html. I'm gonna maximize this window here, and look, inside this body we have 3 divs here and 1 button right here. So all these 3 divs are simply sharing some common CSS properties. For example, width, height, and background color. And only background color is different in these 3 divs, and width and height are similar as we have seen in previous example. So if I run this, let me save this file first, and if I run this file inside my regular browser, now look, here I have 3 divs along with the button. Now what do I want this time is, I want to select the first div from these 3 divs on the click event of this button. So let's go inside this document.ready function, select the button by ID, and then assign a click event handler to this button. So in this callback function, I'm going to say that if somebody is clicking this button, then the first div from this group of divs will be selected. So I'm gonna say select div. By saying select div, all the 3 divs will be selected, but I'm going to perform a pseudo selection here, that is select first div from this group of divs sharing a common parent. So let's assign here the CSS method and pass the CSS property as background color, and the value of background color will be red. So if I run this file and click on the button, then from among all these 3 divs sharing common parent body, the first div will be selected and background color as red will be applied over there. I'm going to change this red to some darker color, that is maybe black. So let's go ahead and check the output once again. Refresh. I'm going to click this button. Look, the first div from among these 3 divs is selected, and the CSS property background color is equal to black is applied on this div.